Hey guys, it's Ezinne here. If you haven't seen me before, welcome to my channel. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And today's video is going to be really quick, so I'm just going to go straight to the point. So I created this really cute hairstyle, and when I had relaxed hair, this used to be like my signature style, right? So I thought I would recreate it on my natural hair, although I did this style about a year ago, but I never got around to filming a tutorial, so I decided to do it right now. So with all that said, let's get into the video. So I started off on a 1 week old 2-strand twist, and I'm just unraveling the twist, and you can see that my hair is a bit stretched, and so it would be quite easier to work with considering the style we're going for today. Next, I'm using a rat tail comb to section off the front areas on the left and on the right sides. So you notice that I'm struggling with the right side of my hair. Normally my left side has always been the dominant side when it comes to creating lines and patterns on my head. So I'm just going to pat the left side first and then mirror it onto the right side. So it just makes the whole thing faster and easier. So I'm making 2 sections on each side, and I'm simply following the direction of my front hairline, as you can see. So it's time to flat twist now, and I'm going to try explaining this the much I can. So basically you're holding just 2 strand sections of hair, and then you're crossing them onto each other, and as you're crossing them onto each other, you're picking up hair along the track where you're flat twisting. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, you can look up other videos on how to do a flat twist on natural hair. I think Glory O Kings has a detailed video on it, so I'm going to link that in the description so you can check it out later. Now for the crown area, I'm going to horizontally connect both ends of the left and right side in a straight line. And then I also make a vertical part halfway towards my face. So I flat twisted this section as well, and I did have quite some difficulty because my hair wasn't fully stretched and detangled. Actually, my hair is due a wash, so I actually washed it immediately. I took down this hairstyle after the tutorial. So my hair is really dirty and, not detangled and all of that stuff that we do not encourage in the natural hair community. But yeah, so please do not make the same mistake I made when doing yours. So be sure that your hair is completely detangled and stretched to an extent where it's easy for you to work with, so you don't hurt your fingers or tear your hair in the process. I finished the flat twist in a braid, and then I went on to style the back. So for the back, I'm just going to let you guys watch it because I did 2 styles for the back area. So one is a low bun, and then the other is a crisscross false braid pattern, but I'll show you also in a bit. So yeah, just look at it as I style it. Unlike the first style, this one isn't exactly self-explanatory. So all I did was pull the end of the braid to the center of the back section and then secure it with bobby pins. Then I began to cross the 2 extremes of both sides into a fishtail braid kind of thing. So I secured it with a bobby pin as well. And then repeated the same for the lower section, except that instead of a bobby pin this time I used an elastic ponytail holder. So yeah, this is what the final result looks like. So you guys let me know your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe if you're not subscribed to my channel. So see you guys in the next one. Bye.